There's a little puppy. Good boy, Ode. Good boy, Frank. Come on. What you got, Ode? Today is Saturday the 17th. Look at this, snowing out. Woohoo! We got Hunter. Hello. Scott, as always. Jason and Odie, the newest member of the BS Beagle Club. Frankie. Woo! Winnie and Violet. And Porky.
Got it.
Let's see if we can get a couple of rabbits in a game pouch. It's been pretty thin the past couple of days. So let's see what happens. We'll see you in the woods. What you got, Beagles? What you got? What's in there? Odie. Wait. No, we're not going this way. We're going down there. Come on. Where is he? What you got? What you got, Beagles? What you got? Come on. Good Beagles. Where's that bunny? Gonna find me a bunny? What do you think? What do you think?
Yeah. Guess we can look up. Woo-hoo!
Huh? Good Beagles. So look, they're in there. Okay, here we go. That rabbit's gonna stay probably right under here.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
He might be in there. Attaboy. What are you looking at? What you got in there? What you got in there? You want me to step on it? Good boy. Good boy, Frankie. What's in there? Yeah. All right. What's in there? Shh. What's in there? What's in here? Look at that, Odie. There's a little puppy. Good boy, Ode. Good boy, Frank. Come on. What you got, Ode? Got Vi. Good girl. Good girl, Violet. Good girl. Where's that bunny? You find a bunny for Daddy? Oh, there's Winnie. What you got, Beagles? What you got? Come, Violet. Good Beagles. Well, tough day today, huh? Okay, YouTube, hey, we're all done today. We got on one. Actually, we got on a couple. They cheated. We don't know where the hell they went.
I don't think we got on a couple. I think it was the one.
It was the one?
I think it was the one.
Okay. Scott says it's the one.
I don't think he ever cheated.
Nah, that's not.
And they were in that over there. In that thick stuff. That was tough going. But
I think the dogs learned something today. We will find out. He was giving a lesson. They were giving a lesson.
I thought I fell out of my pocket.
Nope, it was mine. Thank you.
But anyway, we're done for the day. No rabbits to be had today. Dogs did good. Odie followed the pack pretty good. He was in and out. Yep. Had Hunter with us.
It was fun. I got hung up in the brush for about 45 minutes. Longer than everyone else.
Now we head to the fishing game for some libation.
There we go.
Fishing game. But you know what time it is now, right? It's beer time. Hey guys, thanks for running with the BS Beagle Club. We'll see you next time.